My name is Brandon Rindell, and this is my submission alongside Joshua Gay for our Spang 411 test demo demonstrating UniLife 3 and its various functions. So first off, we have the UniLife 3 folder. What you want to do is you want to open this up in your IDE of choice. So I'm using Visual Studio Code. So you do open folder, and it's going to be here on my desktop. Under my UniLife front end folder right here. So you just do this and click select folder. Do work application. Give it a moment to open. Press run. Once we see Spring Boot pop up, that means it's all set to go. We open up our index.html and our token.txt. So before I even touch that, I'm going to copy and paste my token. And now we are good. So here's our UniLife front end. I'm going to enter a username and password and register. Oops. So if I register, I can actually log out. And if my password is incorrect, it won't let me log in. So I can do that, log in. And here we have the calendar. We have a lot of different functions here. So first off, we're going to import our canvases to show you what that looks like. So it's going to take a minute. And it's pulling approximately 400 assignments, so it's going to take a second in formatting all of them into calendar objects. There we go. Another fun thing you can do here is you can change the color of the calendar. So I'm going to set it to green. We'll return to the calendar. And here you can see all of the days with assignments have a blue tab next to them now. So if I click on 2512, 1210, you can see it refreshes real quick. And when you click on the assignment or our task, it shows the title, it shows the due date, and it shows the description. And something that we did add was that the description starts with the class first, with a space, and then the actual body of text. So, for example, I have a final tomorrow, and it shows the class here, and then no description. So this is incredibly useful. And now that things are properly formatted and it can pull every class, is very good. You can also add an event. So I can add an event like eat dinner, and I need to eat pizza at 6 p.m. today. And then I'll set it for 6 p.m. today. And you can type this in as well. Add. Boom, there we go. Eat dinner. I need to eat pizza at 6 p.m. today. Do 6 p.m. So another thing you can do is you can do notes. So I can add physics 12, circuits, and electricity. Boom. Press create. And now we have our classes. I'm going to add one more class. I will do art history. And I will do Leonardo and other famous artists create. And now you can add notes to each of these classes. And there'll be a title, a description, and a priority. A level 1 priority would be the most important, and then a level 5 would be like something that's not as important. So I can do art history. Title would be Leonardo's birthday. And his birthday was April 15th, 1482. Oh, 52. And now what you can do is I can also add physics if I want to. Definition of circuit. And then we'll just do electricity moving in a circle. Something simple. And what's cool is we can either do a class quiz based on each individual class, or we can even shuffle all of our notes and just study everything we've cumulatively taken. So if we do quiz, you can do shuffle all notes, or you can choose a class to do quizzes on. So I'm going to shuffle all our notes. Let's say art history. So it starts with the definition of art history, which is the class. Leonardo's birthday, April 15th. Physics 212, circuits and electricity. In the definition of a circuit, electricity moving in a circle. When all the notes are done for the quiz, it says that, and you can return the net calendar, or you can return to your notes. And that is it for UniLife. Once you're done, you just click log out, and you are all good to go.